better stop this nonsense you're doing. Do not push me, okay? Don't. Skirt! Skirt! Nonsense. What are you doing?
Emmy said she's craving white rice and vegetable sauce. I'm just trying to prepare for her.
Are you mad? Are you okay? Can you even hear yourself talk? Emirat said, you know what? You're tempting me. And when I will start with you, you will not live to tell the story. You will not live to tell the story, I'm telling you.
Can you calm down, Gina? Please.
I should calm down.
Calm down. It's not that horrible. I'm just trying to make sure she's comfortable. That's it.
I should calm down. Hey. I said it that you're a very stupid man. Since we got married, have you ever come to this kitchen to boil a cup of water for me? Let alone cooking. You're telling me that, see, in this house, I will give you problem.
Look.
Problem!
Jenna, when you were pregnant, you were very strong. If not, I would have assisted you. Fine, the next time you get pregnant again, I'll make sure I support you. Anything you want me to do, I'll do it for you, please.
Hi. Hi. I knew that you were a stupid man. I just confirmed it. You're very stupid. So because I was strong, that's why you did not even assist me. Is she not strong?
I don't like the fact that you're insulting me.
And I will insult you. Do you deserve any respect in this house? You will not have respect in this household. You will not have peace. There's no peace for the wicked. You hear me? And if you know you want to cook for her, you're useless mistress. Please, you will not use any of my stuffs. You will go and get it for her. If you insist on cooking, Oga, go and buy it. Go to the market, Go and buy it. If you touch any of my thing, in this house, I will deal with you. You see this knife? I will use it to design it your fine face. Try me.
Baby, you know what? I'm no longer craving for rice anymore. Look, I and your baby, we won't swallow.
Emerald, why are you doing this? Why? Why? You asked for rice and it's almost ready, and then you're talking about swallow?
But it's...
Why are you bent on frustrating me in this house? Why?
But it's not me. It's him. He's making me crave for it.
It's fine. I'll get you what you want.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You know, you said that and I just kept quiet. I kept quiet because I was just trying to digest everything you said. What nonsense are you telling me? No, what nonsense are you saying? What is wrong with you? Are you out of your mind? How could you tell me that? No, you listen to me. I have had enough of your nonsense. This has to stop. What is wrong with you? I am not going to take that. You hear me? I won't take it. You hear me?
Honey, what is going on?
Nothing.
Will you shut
I said nothing! Please just leave me alone.
Babe, what? Tell me, please. What?
Please wake up.
Babe.
Please wake up. We need to talk. It's important, please.
What do we want to talk about that you couldn't wait till morning?
I just feel this is the right time to talk about it.
Talk about what? What do you want to talk about?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? About what?
I messed up big time. I made a terrible mistake. A huge one for that matter. I don't know how it started. I don't know what got into my head. But I know that I have messed up big time. And I want you to forgive me. Please promise me.
I don't know what you've done, but don't worry, it's fine. What do you want to say? What have you done?
I had an affair. I wasn't supposed to. I messed up big time. I screwed up. I know it's stupid. I know it's a silly act. I know I wasn't supposed to do that. But I don't know how it started. I don't know. The worst has happened. Now she's pregnant. She's pregnant. She's carrying my child. I'm sorry. I am really sorry. Look, you have every right to do anything you want to do to me. Anyhow you want to react, you have the right to do it. But please, just forgive me. I'm sorry. I am really sorry. Please forgive me. I don't know where to start. I don't know how to say this to you all along, but just been living in denial. I've been living in total confusion. I don't even know where to start. I don't know how. I'm sorry. I am really sorry. Please forgive me. Please. I'm really sorry. It was a mistake.
Rita, this problem is too much for me to handle.
What problem?
Remember I told you about my husband's weird behavior lately?
Yes. What is it, Gina?
My husband woke me up at midnight.
Okay.
And asked us to talk.
Okay.
And guess what he told me?
What?
He told me that he had an affair that led to pregnancy. Can you just believe that?
It's a lie.
Do I look like I'm joking? And the most painful and annoying part of it is, I don't even know how to tell him that she's lying to him.
Gina, it's okay. It's okay. Alright? Just calm down, please.
You say? If you were in my shoes, will you be calm?
I know, but then you still need to calm down. Okay?
I'm frustrated.
I understand. It's okay. It's okay, Gina.
My heart is palpitating. I'm sad.
It's okay, Gina. It's fine. We'll find a way out, please.
What is the way out? What?
Gina, please just... It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Alright?
Scott, you're avoiding me intentionally because it's obvious. You're not picking my calls, you're not even saying anything to me. Well, let me tell you something. When I'm done from here, I'm going straight to your house and I'm going to tell your wife everything.
My wife already knows about this baby. And let me warn you, she may devour or kick that baby out of your tummy and do not hold me responsible for whatever action she takes.
Are you threatening me?
I'm only telling you what's ahead of you. I'm not the first man to ever have a mistress, for Christ's sake.
Scott, you dare use that language?
You are choking me!
Then do the needful! I asked for an amount. Do I deserve that kind of living condition? I'm squatting with my friend! I cannot be managing I and my child. So do the needful.
What you're asking for, Emerald, is too much. What earth do you expect me to get 30 million naira from to give to you?
I don't care!
You don't care?
Yes. How you want to go about it, I don't care. But I want to move out of my friend's place. I deserve a better life. I am my baby.
Look, Emerald, I don't know what I want to tell my wife I need 30 million naira from. It doesn't make any sense. What do I need to do with 30 million naira? I don't know what to do.
Well, you were stupid in the first place to tell her the truth. I'm not stupid like you. So I need you to come up with the money. But Scott, I want to move out of my friend's house. And you have this weekend to do the needful.
This weekend?
No, baby, it will never happen. I will not allow any useless woman to come into our home and reap what she did not sow. You want to go and collect 30 million naira loan to give to that whore? It's never going to happen in this house. Never!
But she's threatening to drag me on social media. That's a lot.
Let her drag us now. Let her drag us in the mud. We'll wash ourselves up.
You know that is going to affect my reputation. You know that.
Oh, so you prefer to go and give her 30 million naira? Somebody that has the nerves to sleep with a married man. She has other men. Oh, you think you're the only one she's sleeping with? How are you even sure you're responsible for the pregnancy? Huh?
Fine. Darling, what do you suggest we do? Because at this point I am confused. I don't know what to do. Where do we move from here? I'm confused. I don't know what. And I messed up big time. One silly mistake, and this is where I am. This is where I found myself.
Bring
I
her.
messed up. What? What did you say?
I said you should bring her home.
No. That's not going to happen.
No?
I will not have a stranger come into my matrimonial home and cause havoc. It's not going to happen.
Oh. You don't want that to happen?
It's never going to happen.
But you are willing to give her 30 million naira that you don't even have. Baby, you have to bring her into this house so we can watch her closely. And after she gives birth, we'll run a DNA test. If you're the father of a child, then you take full responsibility of it. Yes.
That's not a good idea at all.
It is. That's the only option we have right now.
Scott, I'm not moving into your house.
Well, that is the only option we have. You have to move in. And from now to 9 months, we'll figure out what to do about the pregnancy and you.
Excuse me?
That is the only option. That is what my wife wants. I already made a terrible mistake. I know that. And this is the only way out. Please.
Well, I don't know your wife and I don't owe her anything.
Well, that is what she wants. And I have to comply. And you have to comply. Please.
Fine. If I'm moving into your house, then make me your second wife.
Make you what?
Make me your second wife.
I've already caused a lot of troubles already. In my home, with my wife. I don't want no more troubles. I don't want to have another missus. Okay, please, I'm okay with my family. You just have to move in till you have the baby and we'll figure out what to do with you and the baby. Please, Emerald. You're not saying anything.
So this is her.
Babe, I thought we've come past this.
Hi, I'm Emerald. Amy for short.
I don't care about what your name is.
Anyway, I know this hurts, but trust me, it wasn't intentional. It just happened.
Oh, it just happened. It just happened that you spread your legs wide open for my husband to get you pregnant. It just happened that you decided to keep the baby. It just happened.
Babe, I need you to calm down, okay? You need to calm down. We talked about this already. Look, whatever bitterness you have in your heart, please take it out. We just have to create a sane environment for her through this pregnancy process. Please, just relax.
Scott! You stood in front of my family's friends and in front of God! You promised me forever! And now you brought in another woman into my matrimonial home? And you're asking me to calm down?
You need to calm down. We talked about this already. Why are you creating a scene? What is all this?
Bravo, lover boy. You betray me and you expect me to accept this bastard?
Don't you ever call my child a bastard because he's not one.
Okay, that's enough.
Don't rust! Stupid boy, the two of you. You don't have sense.
Babe, what is Emerald going to eat?
Did you just ask me that?
Yeah, I'm just asking what she's going to eat. Don't forget she's under our roof.
Scott, it is bad enough that I allowed you to bring your mistress into my matrimonial home. And now you want me to cook for her? Really?
Look, I think you're misunderstanding me here. I just thought it would...
You thought what? You thought what exactly? Huh? Wait, what was your plan? Huh? You want me to play the bigger person? The understanding wife? So I can take more shit from you and your whore? Is that what you want? It will not happen. See, listen to me. Don't you ever, don't you ever ask me such stupid question again in your life. Don't try it. Do you understand me?
It's fine, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way. I'll figure something out myself. Excuse me.
Rubbish.
You're still on this?
Yeah. I'm hungry. Where's the food?
Oh, sorry. We have to go out to get something to eat.
I want homemade food. I said it.
Look, I actually thought Gina would be kind enough to get you something to eat.
Excuse me? And who's going to eat that? Please, 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 please. I don't want any harm to befall my baby. Please.
Stop it.
What if she poisons me?
Gina is not a wicked woman. Stop it.
I didn't say she's a wicked woman. But a woman in her state, please. Only God knows what she's thinking.
It's fine. Just get ready. Let's go get you something to eat before the fast food closes.
Baby, I'm tired. Besides, I'm not done here. Why don't you just go and get food, please? I'll wait for you.
All right. I'll be back shortly.
Okay.
What is wrong with you?
My baby.
What happened to the baby? Give me a car keys. Let's go. Sorry. Can you walk? Okay. Give me a keys, please. Okay, let's just go. Careful. Take it easy. Sorry. Yeah, this way.
I so much dislike that girl. She keeps complaining that she's not feeling well, her baby is not feeling well too. Imagine.
That false feelings new moms usually have.
That's
It's
not true.
alright.
No, I never had that feeling.
Well, body differs. So did the doctor confirm she and the baby are okay?
Yes.
What's that?
Babe, honestly, I wish she had a miscarriage. God, please forgive me.
It's okay, I understand.
Babe, I can't help but the feeling.
I know. You'll be alright, okay?
I feel like strangling that girl. I feel like squeezing the life out of her.
Gina, please, so make you no go keep person picking. I beg. I don't want you to go to jail because of a man.
I don't care.
So take it easy, girl. Alright?
Men has come. They will stain your
They will
white.
always stain your white. We know. So be calm, alright? It will be alright.
I hope so.
I know so.
Boy, oh boy, what's good?
Hey,
How you doing, bro?
okay, what's going on?
I'm good. Why are you looking at the water? What's good?
Just thinking about a whole lot.
I
It's
know.
been a while. How have you been?
Yeah, that's why I'm here, bro. Let's do some catching up. What's good?
Yeah, that's very thoughtful of you.
So tell me, how have you been coping, King Solomon, the man with issue of women?
Are you seriously doing this, bro?
Baba, they pity you. How you dey cope? How is the new madam? How is polygamy? Talk to me. I'm curious, bro. How you coping?
It's not been easy, bro. bro. Trust me, it's been crazy. You know, I find it so hard to communicate with both of them in the house. It's a whole lot. It's crazy, man. It's eating me up every day.
You don't learn finish. You never ever read 1 month, man, guy. But you caused it yourself. You called the problem for yourself because I don't even know why you allowed that mistake to happen. Because it's a very, very deadly mistake.
You shouldn't be the one blaming me, bro. You should be back. You should be supporting me.
No, I will blame you. You know why? You saw it free and you enter free. Now the result of free is showing on you. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
I need you to encourage me. You're
Yeah, I'm sorry. I know how you feel right now, but the only advice I'll give to you is just to be calm, stable the situation. You're a man. You can handle them. They're women.
That's what I'm trying to
Tell them what they want to hear. Give them good gist. You know, separate. Always come for your wife.
You know, it's so easy for you to say because you're the one facing it.
I know. God is your strength.
You know what? Let's just go to a close bar and have some drink.
This witch lot.
No wahala. If alcohol lacks for my body, not be like. Okay. Okay.
Hello?
Babe. Your witch of a wife locked the kitchen door and I'm very hungry.
Look, Emerald. She made it clear to you that she cannot share our kitchen with you. And that is why I give you money on a daily basis to eat outside.
So wait, in my condition, you want me to step out of this house when there's food in the kitchen?
Okay. I will come to the house soon. Tell me what you want to eat. I'll get it for you.
I said I'm hungry. Like I'm very hungry. I cannot wait for you.
Look, I'll soon be on my way home now. Just tell me what you want and I'll get it for you.
Better still, can you call your witch of a wife to come and open the kitchen door?
Tell me what you want to eat. I'm on my way now. I'll get it for you. What is wrong with you?
You are a useless man. You're very stupid. Woman rapper. Please get off.
What's going on, bro?
She just called me stupid.
Bro, you have to calm down. Look, you have to man up because this thing is not as you see it. Though. Just take it cool. Let's go have a drink. Man, this is crazy, man. 2 wives, 1 man, 2 wives. King Solomon.
Are you for real?
King
now?
Solomon. La Paloco, La Patica. La Paloco.
Gina, this is the highest level of wickedness. Why would you lock the kitchen, knowing that I'm pregnant?
Excuse you. Sweetheart, take this. Go upstairs, okay? Mommy's coming soon. Are you okay?
It is you that there's something wrong with. You know I am pregnant. And of course, as a pregnant woman, I need to eat round the clock. So why would you lock the kitchen?
Madam, you got yourself into this mess. Or don't you know that you're in a mess? Oh, you want to start enjoying the privileges that comes with being pregnant for your own man. You are pregnant for my husband, and those privileges are cut off, okay? Behave yourself in this house. Pray for this to end soon so that you can retrace your step. Nonsense.
Listen, what is wrong with it?
Scott, if you and your wife want to kill me, then tell me. Food, food. I don't understand. Why are you starving me? Look, you know what? Let me just go. It's better. Just settle me and let me go. And live my life. What's this now?
It's fine. I got you food on my way home.
I'm tired of fast food. I want homemade food.
Alright, so let's go inside and I'll talk to her. Let's go inside. Come.
So make example of house.
This is my house.
Good girl. Okay, right. House here. The dash is to what? Welcome back, honey.
Yeah, thank you. Can we talk?
Yeah, sure.
Emerald here says she's tired of eating outside. Could you please let her use
No. No, baby. She can't. I'm not giving her any more space in this house. It's bad enough she's already in my space. But you see, no other place in this house. Not my kitchen, nowhere. Okay?
Look, honey, listen to me, okay?
Are you even a man? It's obvious that you're a coward. I mean, look at the way she's ruling this house and even your entire life. Oh my God. I even know you're just a coward.
What is wrong with you?
Don't ask me that kind of question. She locked the kitchen door. You know what? If I knew this coward of a man that you are, I wouldn't involve myself.
Please shut your mouth. You disrespectful bastard.
Don't you ever call me that.
That's enough!
Disrespectful.
I said it's enough!
Better stop running your mouth in this house. The next time you run your mouth like that, I will beat you up blue black.
Let me tell you, your plan to stop Aime, baby, will not work.
Okay.
Look at her.
Because my head is strong, so you better open that door.
That's enough, guys. It's
Witch.
enough. What's all
Bastard
this?
that you're carrying in your
Don't you
womb.
ever deny.
Oh, my word.
I'm warning her for the last time. She should not push me.
Alox.
And what are
Stupid
you?
girl.
I mean, my head is very strong.
You calm down.
You talk to her.
Harlot. Prostitute.
And what are you?
Bastard. Rubbish.
Talk to her. Let her open that kitchen. Or else. Or else.
Babe, please, I need you to calm down. Please, calm down. You don't have to be so harsh on her. You know how you women get irritated whenever you're pregnant? This is just pregnancy hormones at work here. Please.
I don't care.
You don't know.
I don't care. You better warn her. Warn her to stay away from me in this house. Because me, I've had it up to here. The next time she repeats that nonsense she tries again, I'm going to give her the beating of her life and I would not even care about the consequences.
No, honey, don't say that. You don't have to be violent. Please, just calm down. This will be over in no time. And don't forget, you brought the idea of bringing her into this house.
And you brought this upon us.
I know, so just calm down. Let's finish this and just get it over and done with. Please.
Talk to her.
I will.
Because you brought this on us. Talk to her.
Sure, I will.
Hi. Emanuela, can I join you with some popcorn? Thank you. It's nice. So, what are you watching?
Scarlet Bone.
Ah. Emanuela, do you know I'm your second mommy?
It's a lie. You're not my second mommy.
I'm telling you the truth, I'm your second mommy. You know why? Because I have your baby brother inside my tummy.
Really?
Yes. Do you want to speak with him?
Can he hear me?
Of course. You know it's in my tummy. So of course he can hear you.
My baby.
Auntie said that.
Yes, baby.
Auntie said she's my second mommy and she's carrying my baby brother. Is it true?
Emerald, why would you say such thing to my daughter? Huh?
Gina, but you and I know that that's the truth. I'm actually carrying her baby brother and the same blood runs through her veins. You know, I don't want them to have bad blood between them. I want them to be cordial.
Nonsense.
So it's better you tell her now.
That thing you're carrying in your womb has no connection, no blood connection with my daughter. Okay? Do not push me. Baby?
Sorry.
Please, do me a favor. Do not go close to this auntie again. She's a bad auntie. And she's not carrying your baby brother. Okay? Go upstairs. Take this.
It's best you tell her the truth.
You better stop this nonsense you're doing. Do not push me, okay? Don't. Skirt! Skirt! Nonsense. What are you doing?
Emmy said she's craving white rice and vegetable sauce. I'm just trying to prepare for her.
Are you mad? Are you okay? Can you even hear yourself talk? Emirate said, you know what? You're tempting me. And when I will start with you, you will not live to tell the story. You will not live to tell the story, I'm telling you.
Can you calm down, Gina? Please.
I should calm down.
Calm down. It's not that horrible. I'm just trying to make sure she's comfortable. That's it.
I should calm down. Hey. I said it that you're a very stupid man. Since we got married, have you ever come to this kitchen to boil a cup of water for me? Let alone cooking. You're telling me that, see, in this house, I will give you problem.
Look.
Problem!
Jenna, when you were pregnant, you were very strong. If not, I would have assisted you. Fine, the next time you get pregnant again, I'll make sure I support you. Anything you want me to do, I'll do it for you, please.
Hi. Hi. I knew that you were a stupid man. I just confirmed it. You're very stupid. So because I was strong, that's why you did not even assist me. Is she not strong?
I don't like the fact that you're insulting me.
And I will insult you. Do you deserve any respect in this house? You will not have respect in this household. You will not have peace. There's no peace for the wicked. You hear me? And if you know you want to cook for her, you're useless mistress. Please, you will not use any of my stuffs. You will go and get it for her. If you insist on cooking, Oga, go and buy it. Go to the market, Go and buy it. If you touch any of my thing, in this house, I will deal with you. You see this knife? I will use it to design it your fine face. Try me.
Baby, you know what? I'm no longer craving for rice anymore. Look, I and your baby, we won't swallow.
Emerald, why are you doing this? Why? Why? You asked for rice and it's almost ready and then you're talking about swallow?
But it's...
Why are you bent on frustrating me in this house? Why?
But it's not me. It's him. He's making me crave for it.
It's fine. I'll get you what you want.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Obi! Obi! Ogami! Come. Boss, listen to me. I want you to go to that woman that sells food at the estate gate.
Okay.
And buy 2 plates of bonus for me. 2 plates of what?
But Ogami, if that woman no get call, make I go the other side for command. Our food, they make sense, go on.
Okay, you know what? Go to the woman that is close to the other estate gate, close to the welder.
Okay, boss.
When you come back, bring it to this place.
All right.
Go, fast. Why don't stay till I'm preparing this? It's ready actually.
Baby, you did.
Sorry,
It's fine. Can you just come and cuddle me?
Cuddle you? Fine, why don't you eat first? No, you should eat first. You need it, please. Just eat for you and the baby.
I'm not hungry.
You're not what?
I am not hungry.
Do you know what it took me to prepare this for you? And how long? And now you're telling me you're not hungry? My word. Okay, just eat for the baby.
Well, the baby needs to be cuddled.
But you need to eat first.
The baby needs a cuddle.
Baby. Honey, I'm talking to you.
Please. Please don't annoy me. Just sleep, okay?
What do you mean I shouldn't annoy you? Can't I touch my wife again?
After performing your baby daddy duties, you're coming to touch me. What disrespect! Please, just allow me to sleep in peace. Don't touch me again, okay?
You know we can.
If you touch me! What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Don't try this nonsense again. Do you hear me? Rubbish. Cheat. Of disrespect is this? You're asking me to relax? You have the guts to come sleep with her under my nose, in my room!
You're screaming! Calm down!
I'm screaming? Is that what you're saying? I should relax? What are you saying, huh?
Wait!
What are you saying? Leave me alone! You stupid man! You're stupid! I hate you! I hate you! I will deal with you in this house. You hear me?
Can you
I will deal with you!
Hey.
Idiot! Leave me alone, get lost! Leave me alone, bastard! Leave me alone! Leave me, you idiot! Leave me alone! Idiot!
Gina, on a second thought, I think you should just open up to your husband so that all this madness, all this drama will just end.
What? Please. How would you say that now? Do you want my marriage to end?
And how is that going to be possible? You did what you had to do for the benefit of you two. So I don't think Scott is going to be that mad.
Rita, please, don't advise me wrongly. Please. Do you know how Scott is going to take this? It will break him. No, I can't even get myself to tell him anything.
Okay. But I still think...
Rita, please, let's not talk about this again. Please.
Okay, if you say so.
I say so.
It's fine. So how is the lady in question doing?
That one, she's fine though. She's at home. When you get to the house, you see her.
She's at home.
Yes, so.
Should they work?
Work here. Hey. My sister, she's housewife number 2.
What? Housewife?
She's at home.
This is so funny. Are you for real?
I am for real.
What?
She wants to marry. She'll be in the house.
Wow.
Hey, baby, are you fine? Okay. So tell me now, how is work? How is everything?
My sister work deal. We just push her. You know how they contribute.
I understand. What about that your bobo?
That one. Please, I'm shy.
Oh, you're shy.
That bobo day, Joy.
Oh my God.
What is wrong with you? Why are you moody?
This life, man. 1 minute you have a friend, the next minute you're betrayed. 1 minute they're professing love, and the next minute they don't care whether you exist, live or die.
Is that why you're moody?
Isn't that enough to make me moody? You don't even call to check up on me. You don't care at all whether I eat or I'm alive. You don't care about your baby. What is wrong with you? Even as far as the money I asked for, 2 million naira. It's always decline, negative response I get from you. You don't care at all.
What did I ever do wrong, Emerald? What? Just a month ago, I gave you 500,000 naira. And now you're asking for 2 million? Like it's 20,000 or something.
Why are you making it look like I'm unreasonable? Of course, price of things have gone up in the market. And I need to buy things for the baby.
Alright, thank you. Welcome, madam.
Yeah. What was that?
Now the dispatcher that will bring something for second madam.
Are you stupid? Who is second madam?
The second auntie where they live with us for this house.
You're very stupid. Take. When you're done, park this car. Rubbish. Second madam.
Alright, that's fine. I'll do something this week, okay? Hi. Hey, come here. Oh, you good? I love you so much. Just how about you go to your room, okay?
Baby, go upstairs, okay? Mommy's coming shortly. Funny how you come home early lately. Rita,
Yes,
please let me go attend to my daughter, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Rita, do you want me to offer you anything? Water, it is. I'll be back shortly. Yeah. What can I offer you? You know your doctor's advice against alcohol. So what do you want?
Anything. Water is fine.
I'm sure water is fine.
Water is
Come back
fine.
shortly.
Oh my God. She's a doctor. Emrad, how could you be so foolish to open this drug here? What if she saw it? But she wasn't really looking. No, I don't think she did. Even if she did, the doctor said it's a rare one. So she may not know.
Are you sure of what you're saying? Because...
My dear, listen, Gina. I want you to listen to me with your ears and not your heart, okay?
Okay, but babe, you're scaring me. What is going on?
Well, I suspect Emerald is faking her pregnancy.
What? What are you even saying? How?
I saw her with a drug I suspect to be an HCG drug.
HCG drug?
Yes.
What's that?
Well, it is a drug that is used to mimic certain pregnancy symptoms by altering hormone levels.
Babe, this is crazy. Because how does someone fake pregnancy? She looks really pregnant to me.
Yes, that's the work of the drug. It naturally produces progesterone that leads to fuller appearance and estrogen that promotes fat. So obviously, it is the HCG drug that is working. There is no pregnancy.
What? Babe, are you sure about this? Because if we confront her and...
No, please. We don't need to confront her. We need to have a proof. Okay? Otherwise, it is our words against hers.
So what do we do?
First, I want you to get the proof. Alright? Then talk to Scott about going to see the doctor with her, at least for our first scan. And if she refuses, I want you to mount pressure on it. Okay? But please, get the proof. Alright?
Babe, hold on. If what you're saying is true, she's not going to be careless with it.
Well, it is overconfidence at play here. She feels everyone around her a novice. Okay? So there's no need of her sneaking around to take pills. But trust me on this.
Okay.
Sorry?
Oh, I don't fuck up, woman. What is it that woman is discussing with Gina? I hope it's not about me. Hey, could she have seen that drug?
Obi,
Madam,
do you like your job here?
madam, anything I do, I beg just forgive me. What did I do?
Okay, for now, you've not done anything wrong. But then trust me, you will lose your job if you choose to lie about what I'm about to ask you.
Madam, I swear to God, anything you ask me, I will tell you. I will give you correct answer. I swear.
When you gave Emira the parcel that the dispatch rider gave you, I saw you whisper something to her.
Yes, madam, not true.
Okay, so what did you tell her?
Now, within the dispatch rider tell me, make I tell him, now I tell him.
And what did he tell you to tell her?
He say make I tell her, say, the medicine wey you bring, say it did different from the one wey she bring the first time. Say make she call her. Abisha, I don't do another thing.
No. You can go.
So why are you asking if she goes for antenatal? Every pregnant woman, I expect her to go.
Baby, I'm just asking, okay? And has she told you about the ultrasound scan?
Not yet.
Oh.
I think that is done at the later stage of the pregnancy. Why are these questions, Gina?
Nothing. I'm just asking to know. I just wanted to know how the pregnancy is progressing, and I haven't seen her going for scan lately. You know, she doesn't go for checkups, so that's it.
Well, she does go.
Oh, okay.
You know, there's something weird about these your interrogations. You want to share?
Nothing. I'm going to be a stepmom soon, right?
So suddenly you care. Come off it, Gina. I know you. What is going on? Talk to me.
No, you come off it. You brought me here, Scott. I've accepted my fate. I'm just trying to be a good wife and a good stepmom, okay? Because if anything goes wrong, the whole world will judge me. So I'm asking the necessary questions because I'm a mom too.
Okay, fine. I am sorry I misunderstood you. Well, she said she has a drug she's taking.
Okay. So is it a type I took when I was pregnant?
No, she said a specialist recommended this one.
I see. So do you know the name?
No, I don't know the name, and I haven't seen it before.
Okay. Baby, I really think you should make her time to go to the hospital with her, you know, and ask some questions like how far the pregnancy has gone, IEDD, and all that. And then make sure the scan is done. Because it's heartwarming when women see their baby daddies, their husband, watch them while they do their scan and they see the baby inside, you know. It feels good. So I think you should make our time.
Yeah. Like when you had yours, your first pregnancy, yeah?
Yeah. It's all good. Father Abraham.
Baby,
Yes, darling, what's up? What is it? Are you sleeping?
I don't believe that I had to talk to you.
You need to talk to me. So why can't it wait till tomorrow? Hey. Why are you crying?
Baby,
Is everything okay? Why are you crying? Talk to me. What is wrong?
what I'm about to tell you is going to break your heart.
Hey,
Please.
honey, just smile and say what you want to say. Why are you crying? You're making me uncomfortable already.
I'm sorry.
Can you just... You got me scared. Say what you want to say.
Do you remember when we went for fertility test?
Yes, and we're both tested positive.
No. I was tested positive.
Okay.
But you were diagnosed of low sperm count.
What? How?
I'm sorry I didn't tell you about it. I'm really sorry. I feared you were going to start having low self-esteem.
Wait. If I have low sperm count, how then will we be able to have our child? Wait a minute. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Gina? How could you?
No, baby, I promise you.
You cheated?
I didn't cheat. I didn't cheat, I promise.
So what happened? What happened to the... How did you get the baby? You stole the baby?
No.
No. That's not what you did. Because I saw when you were pregnant, so you didn't steal the baby. So how did you get the baby? Talk to me!
Oh my God. Gina. See, please. My husband must not find out about this result, please. Okay. Scott will crack out. He has been desiring to be a father. How is he going to handle this? Please. He's going to break my husband. I promise you,
please. Okay? I promise you. He won't find out. Alright?
Oh my God. Listen, I have read about people, men with low sperm count, how they vent their frustration, how they are emotionally and mentally depressed. I can't bear to see my husband in that state.
Gina, he can get help. Alright?
He can?
He can.
How? Because I don't want them to find out about this result, please.
Gina, he will be cancelled. Okay?
Okay.
So, Gina, we will give him fertility drugs that will boost his sperm count. And then you also have to change his diet. Alright? I want you to be very intentional about what he eats. Okay?
Okay, that works.
Okay.
Thank you so much, because my husband is going to be heartbroken. I can't even stand it.
I know, he'll be fine and you'll be fine too.
Yeah, I'm just going to tell him that you advised to take the medication and everything is fine, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
We'll do just that because it's going to break him so much.
It's okay, don't worry. It's okay, alright?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Oh, my dear.
Yes, darling.
Please have this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Baby girl.
Yeah, what is it again?
Scott is not making it easy for me.
How?
He doesn't take his medication. Even the meal plan you gave, he doesn't like fruits or veggies. He's not a fan of it. He prefers to eat normal meal. What do I do?
Gina, this is why I told you to let him know what his result is. With that, he'll be taking the drugs with his zeal to solve the problem.
Rita, I don't want to solve any problem while adding up another problem to it. Please, we should just look for another way out of this. Is there no other way?
There's no other way. Yes, unless you want to go for artificial sperm insemination.
That sounds good.
Really?
Yes, please tell me more about it.
Well, there are different types of artificial sperm insemination. It depends on which one you want to go for.
Okay. I'm sorry. I chose the intrauterine insemination and they asked me to wait for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I was tested positive. Sorry.
So you mean to tell me that child is not mine?
No,
What are you talking?
It's our child. It's your child, please.
Oh.
Please, please. I'm sorry. Please. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Scott, are you okay? Why are you looking at me like that? Scott, what's the problem?
What exactly did you want? Why did you have to do that? Just to extort money from me?
You walked into my room just to ask me that bizarre question. Scott, I don't know what you're drunk this night.
Are you out of your mind? What is wrong with you? You do not have any right to ask me any questions or to answer mine.
Scott, what did you drink?
Why did you have to fake your pregnancy? Just to extort money from me? Is that it?
Scott, I don't know what you drank this night, okay?
I swear to God, if you make me lose it this night, you'll regret ever crossing path with me. Answer the damn question right now. Why did you do this? To extort money from me? Is that it?
Scott, please calm down, okay?
Don't tell me to calm down! Answer the damn question! Why did you do this?
I'm sorry.
Oh no, you don't have to be sorry. Tell me, how did you plan to give birth to a fake child? You better answer me the damn question. If you don't do it, I swear to God, you'll regret ever knowing me.
I was going to fake a miscarriage.
Emerald, the reason I have stayed away from you for so long is because I cannot fancy where I'll be hustling like an elephant and be feeding like an ant. I have brought in deals worth millions. The last Chevron guy that I brought, I got information that he bought iPhone for almost all members of your family. Away from the money for the fake pregnancy. I mean, this thing is not working for me.
So look, I am a risk taker here. And I'm the one at risk, not you. Is it your body that takes all those pills, those hormonal pills? No. And what if anything happens to me or it goes south? You'll still be alive, right? While my enemies are 6 feet under? Please, 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 please.
We know how this thing works. Nobody's dying. Nobody's killing anybody.
Still, I am the one at risk. I'm the one in there faking pregnancies. I am with them. What if they decide to do something? Are you in their hearts? Do you know?
No, Emra, this thing can't continue. If we have to continue this business, we have to review the sharing formula.
Fine. What's your sharing formula?
60-40 is fine.
I disagree. 70-30. Take it or leave it.
70-30 is not going to work.
70-30 or nothing.
Okay, deal.
Better.
But we'll have to stick to this agreement, please. I have a deal. A mouth-watering deal.
Now, this is what you're supposed to say first before all those...
Of course, you know how we do.
The client,
every information you need is there. The name is Scott. His picture, his address, where he works, and everything is there. The only thing we need now is how to connect with him in his regular hangout spot.
You know me now, trust me.
I know you, Emra.
This anyway. I'll get back to you.
So please, we'll stick to our agreement. 70-30.
Sure.
Don't you dare come inch close to me. I swear to God, I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill whatever consequence it comes after killing you. Don't do. Oh God, what did I ever do to you, Emerald? Emerald, what?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? That's all you could say. You're sorry. Don't even come 1 inch close to me. I swear to God, if you do it, I'm gonna rip you apart. You! Let me around.
I'm sorry.
I'm not finished.
Oh, please, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're sorry. Are you aware this is a criminal case? And you're supposed to go to jail for this crime? Are you aware? But because I am a man of peace, I let it slide. But I give you 30 minutes to pick every penny that belongs to you in this house. Get out and never come close to me again. 30 minutes. Emerald, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. If I come back to this room and you're still here, I'll come to cry. 30 minutes. You.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Look back at me. You.
I'm sorry, Scott. I'm sorry. Scott.
Scott, please forgive her. She was only worried about your mental health. At least she didn't cheat. Other women would have chosen that because it is cheaper to afford. But she spent millions of naira to save you all the stress. Please, forgive her.
You know, all this would have been appreciated if she had told me the truth.
I know.
This is no consolation to me at all. I feel so sad that Emanuela is not my daughter.
Baby, please. Please. She's your daughter. She's our daughter. Yeah, please.
How am I even sure that someone will not show up someday to claim her?
No, that will never happen. I assure you. Okay? Listen, our donors are strictly on contract. And most of them don't even know if their sperm made it through the procedure. And besides, this donor donated anonymously to the sperm bank. I assure you, that will never happen. Okay?
Baby, please. Forgive me, please.
Please.
Please, baby.
You know, I don't know how I would have taken this if it was a case of cheating.
Thank God.
But I am curious to know, would you have gone for a second round?
No. Baby, to be honest, I haven't thought of having a second child.
That's all right. We are going to have a second child. But this time around, it's going to be me procreating it and your sister.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's good news.
Thank you so much.
I love you.
I love you more.
I want you to know that even when we start having our own child, I will always love Emmanuel like my child. I'll always be there for her and for you too.
Aww.